Optic early bird break 2862. Good luck. Dice roll. 11 times. Teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. 11 here, 11 here. Patriots up top. Jets at the bottom. 11 times on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. 11 here, 11 here. Blaine up top. Tyler Clapper at the bottom. Let's sort them out. There's your squads. Good luck, boys. Here we go. Good luck, guys. Good luck. Optic Hobby. Let's do it. Evan C.D., Alec Pierce, and Kayvon Thibodeau. Diggs, Michael Vick, T.J. Watt on the hollow, and Malik on the rookie for the Titans. Arnold E. for the Falcons. Orange, Jalen Tolbert, and a Troy Anderson. Tolbert for those Cowboys. Cowboys going to Brad. Tolbert to 199. To 125, Sean Alexander, Christian Watson for the Packers. So I bet I had something for David. Diamond Hands, CeeDee Lamb for the Cowboys, and Velus Jones. Cowboys to Brad. Adam Vinatieri on the auto for the Colts. Sweet card there going to Matthew Foster. Vinatieri on the ink. Hassan Haskins on the rook. He fell into a pool. Calvin Austin to 299. Jelani Woods. Austin for the Steelers going to Ryan Chapman. A.J. Terrell for the Falcons and Logan Hall. Terrell to 179. And Daxton Hill for the Bengals. Howie Long retro and a Greg Dulcich. Silver, Cole Kmet, Jordan Davis. Alec Pierce, Matt Corral for the Panthers. We got True Red, Tony Romo for the boys, and Kyler Gordon. Cowboys box. Romo to 99. 63 out of 99 on Tony. Wandale for the Giants. Aqua JK for the Ravens, Jalen Tolbert. JK to 299, going to Blaine. Silver, Boye Mafe and Alante Taylor. To 125, Alante Taylor for the Saints and Lewis Seen. 91 out of 125 on the Taylor. Isaiah Spiller for the Chargers, last pack. Good luck. Blue, Quinnen Williams and a Brock Purdy on the base for the Niners. Williams to 179. Recap it. Williams, Purdy, Taylor, Dobbins, Romo, Terrell, Austin, Vinatieri, CeeDee Lamb, Sean Alexander, and Jalen Tolbert. That's the break. Thanks for the fill.